Shopify Plus Migration and Replatforming Guide. Everything you need to know about migrating your e-commerce store to Shopify Plus, the right way, without losing any data. When should you replatform? Whether you're a brick and mortar store going online, outgrowing your current platform, or hitting $1 million in revenue. Shopify Plus is built for your next stage of growth. Why Shopify Plus? It makes scaling effortless, gives you a proper database structure, improves customer experience, and offers advanced customization, all while eliminating the limitations of your old platform. But migration has real risks. Data loss, broken URLs, traffic drops, and field mapping errors can all happen if the migration isn't handled by experienced professionals who know what they're doing. Every piece of your store needs to move: products, customers, product options, order history, and custom functionality. Whether you're coming from Magento, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, nothing gets left behind. How much does it cost? Migrations typically range from $10,000 to $100,000 depending on complexity. But the return on investment far outweighs the cost of maintaining a legacy platform. The process is straightforward. Verify your readiness, gather and clean your data, select what migrates, transfer everything with proper redirects. Then launch and verify on Shopify Plus. Let's debunk some myths. You won't lose traffic if redirects are done right. Your store stays live during migration. Your design carries over. And no, you really shouldn't try this alone. Why Optimum 7? We've executed thousands of e-commerce migrations with zero data loss. As a trusted Shopify Plus partner, we preserve your SEO, handle every detail, and offer a free migration analysis. Ready to migrate to Shopify Plus? Don't risk losing your store data. Optimum 7 makes it safe, fast, and seamless. Visit optimum7.com and speak to an expert today. Free migration analysis included.